there was a problem with a communal flue, and most people in this side from the floor down that I'm on were in the communal flue. And of course the gas was turned off then, be no hot water. So then I met Stephen, he was on site. He had a solution and he came, had a look around here and he told me what he could do. So he suggested then moving the boiler from the kitchen into here. I wasn't so sure. And then he brought me up to an apartment further on up here and showed me they had their boiler moved into the living room. A lot of pipe work would have had to run from the kitchen right through behind here, but you can't see anything. And they had to put a flue on the outside wall here. That was the whole idea of it, me to have my flue, so I wouldn't be in this communal flue anymore. So then I said that's fine, and then he got a joiner, and he suggested then making a nice casing around the boiler, which would tone in with the wooden floor, and I was very happy with that. So it has been a success. Well, they're professional, they're punctual, polite. And the other thing I like about them too is they always ring and let you know they're on their way, which I think is very good. They don't keep you hanging about all day long. But, yeah, wouldn't go past solv. I'd always recommend them, have recommended them to people. It's a professional company, and like, why would you go anywhere else when you have been with the best? Simple as that.